Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing a little series that's kind of different. I'm going to be making templates for anyone to use for free, like maybe like a certain game, like a Fortnite one, which I did, or like a Call of Duty one, or maybe just a simple one that you can use for anything. But that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm sure some of you guys would appreciate that, so that's what I'm going to do. In this video, I'm doing a Fortnite one because I know there's a lot of you guys that like Fortnite. Personally, not a fan, but I know there's a lot of you guys. So all you got to do to start out is go down to the description and there should be a link that says template. So you just want to click that link and it should take you to somewhere that looks like this. It's a Google Drive file. So all you got to do is go up here and click this little download button, and then just save it somewhere on your computer that you can get to easily. So in my case, I saved it to my desktop, which is a nice place to put it. So once you're done, you can just delete it. But all you got to do is once you have your PSD, you could just drag it over to your Photopea and boom, it loaded easily. So you could see there's some, like it says made by me down here, and there's like black squares. You won't see those when you upload it to your YouTube channel. They'll only see the middle part, like an actual banner. So don't worry about that. If you were to upload it right now, you'd only see this part. So all you got to do is just change your text, and here's how you do that. You just go down your text button, highlight it, and you can change it to whatever you want. Gosh, so I'm gonna do my name. It's a little too big, so I'm gonna just change the font to something like Bangers, I don't know. And I'm gonna edit free transform it, make it look a little bit better. So there's my name. On the right side, you can see all the layers, like the lightning is in a folder if you hide that, the particles, color corrections, all that stuff that you want to have enabled. The background, you can edit the stuff if you know what you're doing, but if not, leave it alone and just change the name because it's easy enough. But once you're done, have your name and everything, you just go up to File, Export As, and just do a PNG, and you can just hit Save. And once you save it, you can go to your YouTube channel and upload this on the background, and you'll be good. So I hope this helped you guys. Hopefully some of you guys find some use in this, but I'll be doing more in the future. So leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.